Hi everyone, this is Bhavna and today we are going to cook artichoke. We harvested it yesterday in our garden and this is going to be really delicious. This is green globe artichoke. I always end up saying golden globe, I don't know why, but it's green globe artichoke and it is supposed to be really tasty. We have already consumed 3 or 4 from the same plant, and the recipe involving this, it's very easy. Anybody can cook it, even a 10-year-old kid can cook it. You can actually cook it with your kids. Green globe artichokes are mainly grown in Mediterranean regions, so they carry a lot of its own taste. You don't need a lot of spices to make it flavorsome. So even if you just boil it with salty water, it's good to go. But since it's my recipe, I'm going to spice it up. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add 1 piece of garlic in it. The garlic is also homegrown. And we are going to add black pepper, garlic and salt. You could use garlic as it is, whole thing, but I want the garlic to get inside the artichoke so that when you eat it by leaf, you have flavor in each petal. To do that, I'm going to rasp it. Just rasp it in a small rasping tool. So heat your pan until you feel heat coming in your hand. Add olive oil. Immediately add garlic. Stir it. Add black pepper. Cooked water. That's it. So I added 1.5 liters of water in this. And I'm going to add 25 grams of salt, table salt, per liter of water. So 5 grams, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. This was cooked water, so it will take just a minute to boil it. Once the water starts to bubble up, you add your lemon, your artichoke, and if you have potatoes, you can add potatoes, beans, anything, hard beans like baked broad beans, and you just close it. Put the pressure at lowest settings. So for us it's 1, not the 2. 2 is for lentils. I could put it at 1. And I'm going to let the pressure build up in this pressure cooker. Once the pressure builds up, I will start measuring my time from then. So once the pressure builds up, from there it will be 5 minutes for me. But if you decide to cook it in open pan, then you have to cook it for 20 minutes. You can see the red dot is up. Pressure is built up in the pressure cooker. I will reduce the heat to middle level and I will let it cook at this high temperature, high pressure for 5 minutes. Our artichoke has been cooking for 7 minutes now under high temperature and high pressure. What now we are going to do is switch off the heater and remove the pressure cooker from the heat. It's been now 1 minute. The pressure cooker has released all its pressure and now I'm going to open it. Wow, look at this. So I'm going to take it out, and I cannot wait to eat it. It smells so nice. Look at it. The petals are falling off. You can, if you just take it off here, and amazing.